This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting what matters: your email, social, cloud, and high-risk apps. Once done, sign in and open the security or privacy panel for the first account. Use a password manager if available. It speeds changes and creates strong, unique passwords. Make sure you have your recovery phone and email ready because some sites prompt a code. Finally, enable two-factor authentication where offered. This reduces account takeover risk immediately and lays the groundwork for deeper controls. Now harden each account. Start by revoking third-party app access you no longer use and limit scopes to only what's necessary. Next, set visibility controls. Choose friends, private, or custom, so posts and profiles expose minimal data. Once done, turn off location history and automatic photo tagging when not required because they leak patterns. Also disable ad personalization and cross-device biometric sync if you don't need it. This reduces profiling and keeps sensitive signals local to your device. Finish by verifying changes. Run the account's security checkup, inspect active sessions and devices, and sign out anything unfamiliar. Make sure recovery codes are backed up offline and new passwords are saved in your manager. Once complete, schedule a quarterly review to keep settings current. If something goes wrong, like locked access, use account recovery immediately, reset passwords on linked services, and contact support with proof of identity. That single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining problems and restores secure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.